expression evaluation. Okay, so I have told you that two type of expression. One is a mixed expression, another is the pure expression. Pure expression means all are of same data type. All the operands are of same data type. Mixed means they are of different data type. Okay. 100 by 11. 100 by 11, what will be the output? 9 point. No 9 point. Only 9. 100 by 11 will give you 9 because it is a pure expression. Both are int, so the result will be int. Right? Result will not be double. Result will not be double. If one of them is double, that means 100.0 by 11. One of them is double means it will be 9 point. Okay, whatever. So in mixed expression, the mixed expression you are having conversion. The conversion can be implicit or explicit. If we do ourselves, then that is explicit. If it is done automatically, that is implicit. So here automatically 100.0 by 11, automatically this 11 is converted to 11.0. Right? If you want to make it, so it is called implicit conversion. So the result is coming 9 point something. But if you want that it should come 100.0 by 11, the result should come a number, integer, then 100.0 we have to convert ourselves. So we have to convert to int. How we will convert? We have to write int in parentheses before 100. Then it will be converted to 100. 100 by 11, the result will be 9. So when we are doing the conversion ourselves, we are making sure that yes, the result will come int. Stand up. So then it is called explicit conversion. So next thing is the suppose you are sometimes printing. Suppose H is written in double quotation plus A is written in double quotation. Okay, then what will be the answer? Yes, this will be answer is the HA. Suppose H is written in single quotation plus A is written in single quotation. What will be the answer? Okay, this will give you a number. This will give you a number because I have already told that character is also regarded as numbers. Output will be maybe some 100, 169, yes, because A is 97 and AH is something 70 or something, 70, 72. Then the result is coming 169. Suppose you see 2 plus 2, double quotient plus 2 plus 2. What will be the result? 2 plus 2, 2, 2. This will be the result. 2 plus 2, 2, 2. Right? Why? Because this one 2 plus 2 in double quotes plus 2 becoming 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2. Now another string. Next time it becomes another bigger string. That is 2 plus 2 to 2. Right? So you have to take care when you are doing like that. You have to write, better to write parenthesis 2 plus 2 double quotation plus 2 plus 2 after that in parenthesis. Then your result will be 2 plus 2, 4. Some Java expressions are there. You have to, Java expressions are there, you stand up. Some Java expressions are there, you have to find out their answer. See. Then in page 466, you have some Boolean expression. Why they are called Boolean expression? Because their output is true or false. Whether it is a relational expression or whether it is a logical expression, the mix are given. Right? So they are giving the result true or false. This true is always in small. This true are fully small letters or false in fully small letters. Right? Then you are given the example of scanner class that we have already used. How we are importing in the starting of the program, you are importing the java.util.scanner, and later inside the program we are creating the scanner object. Scanner kb is equal to new scanner system.in, and how we are using that kb for taking the input kb.nextInt function, kb.nextInt function, and that result that returns a value number we are storing in a variable, and then we are doing the, for string it is kb.nextLine function, and you have some program then a exercise.